to make your tofu scramble, you just cut up some tofu. I have firm here, and some veggies, a little bit of asparagus, green pepper, red pepper, some spinach, and some chives I cut up there. Mix it all up. Next, you want to add your seasonings. I am sprinkling a little bit of seasoning salt, garlic powder, some black pepper, and then I'm going to add some turmeric. When you have turmeric and black pepper together, the healing qualities are absolutely amazing. And then I'm going to also add some Italian seasoning. The turmeric obviously is good, like I said, for the different healing qualities. It's good for inflammation. It's good if you have any kind of debilitating ailment that affects your movement. But it also adds the color. So when you're doing your tofu scramble, it gives the appearance of a scrambled egg. And of course, as vegans, we don't use eggs, but it gives us that appearance. So you can see how it changes the color right there. Then once you have cooked it down over medium-high heat and you don't see a lot of moisture there anymore, sprinkle some nutritional yeast. And that gives it, well, not that much. I had it on the other side, but it's okay. That gives it a flavor, a cheesy kind of flavor. And so it adds to it. I wish you could smell this. It smells delicious once you add the yeast there. Give it a stir, and then you are ready to plate. Now you're ready to put it in your bowl, plate, whatever it is that you are using, and get ready to feast. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please click the like button down below. Subscribe, and we'll be back with more cooking videos, campground tours, show you the things that we are seeing, where we're visiting, where we're going. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll be back soon. Bye-bye.